and welcome back. Today's video, I'm bringing to you not one, but two Ipsy unboxings. I'm so pumped that I decided very last minute to do this style of video. Normally, I do an individual unboxing for both of these, and today I had both boxes sitting side by side and I was just like, wait a minute. Wait, why don't I do a comparison video? I've never done one here on my channel and it just sounds really fun. We're gonna unbox both of them and see how they stack up, seeing as the theme for all of the Ipsy bags are always the same for every month. It just varies with the price and size. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I think the one I'm gonna get started with today is the Ipsy Glam Bag Original. This, of course, is the smaller version. It used to be $10, but I do believe they are upping the price to $12. Not sure if it's already happened or if it's happening next month, but still the most affordable out of the two. So here is this month's bag. It is of the Zodiac theme. And look at this cute crystal that you get up here. I really like this detail. This bag, it screams to me. It's very on theme with this year. Inside our Ipsy bag, we get the pamphlet that has the theme of this month, which is Find Your Light. Here's what this pamphlet looks like. It looks very similar to the Glam Bag Plus. I'll show you guys a comparison when I get to that one. But this is the one for the Glam Bag, and we get 5 items this month. The first one that pops out to me right away is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. And it wasn't actually until this week that I realized that these sizes are sold in stores. I saw it at Sephora and I was like, what? They sell these sizes? I just thought it was a deluxe size that goes out in most subscription boxes. But they actually sell this one. So this is a $13 mini mascara. This is the 0.2 of a fluid ounce version. So here is a close-up of the packaging. Very cute. I was actually really excited about this mascara because I haven't tried it before and I do really enjoy the Better Than Sex mascara. I know that's either a love it or you hate it mascara, and I'm personally on the love it train. So I was hoping that this mascara was going to be like that. I tried it on right before sitting down to film because I didn't have any mascara on, and unfortunately it looks like I'm starting to get some flaking here under the eyes. The mascara is starting to crumble down. It did have some nice volume to it, but with the crumpling that is happening underneath, it's not a good thing. I have kind of heard that already about this mascara. Not too many people were thrilled about it, so dang! But really cool that we got this one inside of the bag. Now at least I get to try it out without having to buy the full size. So that was the first one. The second product in the bag is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer in Cymbeline. Here is what the compact itself looks like with the bronzer inside. You do get a tiny mirror. Honestly, the shade looks really good. I'm gonna swatch it out. It's completely matte, which I love. I do not like a glittery bronzer, as you guys know. It kind of looks a little bit like my favorite bronzer at the moment. Probably a little bit different. My current favorite is the Fenty Beauty Stalker Bronzer in Shady Biz, and I just kind of want to do a comparison here. Okay, Shady Biz at the bottom, Cymbeline at the top. Seems like Stalker is just a little bit warmer, maybe a little bit lighter too, but looks like it's a good color to test out. I'll definitely be putting that to use right away and seeing how I like it. This is also not a bad size. It has 0.18 of an ounce in here of product, whereas the mini Fenty Beauty I bought from Sephora has 0.1 of an ounce, so you get a little bit more product than the Fenty Mini. So honestly, not a bad size. Then third up in our bag is the Ibom Lemon Verbena Clay Mask. This looks like it is a deluxe size. It comes with 1 fluid ounce. Let's see, it's supposed to clean the skin's impurities and remove dead skin cells while soothing the skin. So let's just do a quick swatch of this guy. Kind of fun packaging. It reminds me of a acrylic paint tube. Oh, and there's some grit to this mask. Oh, that's interesting. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, okay, that makes sense. It says that you're supposed to apply a appropriate amount, whatever that is, onto cleansed skin. You leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rinse and gently massage with lukewarm water to wash it off. So I'm guessing it's supposed to also exfoliate at the end once you have let the mask sit. So that's kind of cool. Multi-purpose mask. Then fourth up, oh, I'm gonna totally butcher this, the Cest Moi Beauty Reflect Lip Gloss in Bliss. Cute packaging design. This top cap with the gems actually reminds me a lot of the Wet n Wild Crystal Cavern collection. I think they have the same thing with their cap going on. Here's a look at the shade. Looks very pretty. I might as well just pop a little bit of gloss on my lips here. We're just sitting here, hanging out. Why not? Definitely doesn't go with the color I have underneath, but oh well. Okay, not bad. I was actually expecting it to be a little bit more pigmented in the gloss color than it is. I mean, it could also be that I have the color underneath, but it seems like the gloss color kind of shears itself out a bit once you apply it to the lips. This could be nice just to add as a topper. I actually found this one on Target's website for $4.69. It's actually on sale right now for $3.28. And it's the exact same size of 0.11 of an ounce. I always enjoy finding the same size that we get inside the Ipsy bag online and seeing a price for it, because it just helps to see what your value is at the end of everything. And lastly, my fifth item is a big one. It is the Ofra x Madison Miller Moondance Highlighter. So pretty. Ooh, wow. That is a intense highlighter. Oh my gosh. This is a big ticket item because this is full size and Ofra highlighters are $35. That's crazy. They put it inside this Ipsy bag. And I knew I was gonna be getting this one, so I left my cheekbones without highlight today. Yeah. So I'm just gonna add a bit of highlight here to see what we're working with. Holy shoot. Shit-talking mushrooms. Wow. That is intense. Holy guacamole. Wow. I think I may have went a little too heavy-handed here. Take the end of my sponge and try to blend over that. There we go. That helped mute it down a little bit. I went ham with that. I swirled my brush all the way around. I was just like, ooh, highlighter. That was now our last item for the Ipsy Glam Bag. All 5 items have now been mentioned. So here is the haul from the bag. Let's go ahead now and move over to the box. Here it is, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This one is a $25 a month box, so it is a price difference of now just $13 a month since they are raising the smaller bag to $12 instead of the $10. And in this one you do also receive 5 items, but 5 items are guaranteed to be full size. Whereas the smaller bag, it's either a range of sample to deluxe to some full size items. So let's dive into this one. Here's the pamphlet for the Glam Bag Plus. Same theme, find your light. Same pamphlet, just has different insides. And like I just said, there are 5 items inside of this month's box, so let's dive into the first. First up, I have a product by Paris Hilton, Skincare ProD.N.A Dual Action Cleansing Gel. This has a retail value of $39. Oh wow, I thought I misread that. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek, black with some rose gold accents. Now this is a daily cleanser. It's infused with caviar lime. Interesting. An AHA pineapple-based brightener, apple amino, and white tea. It's also all natural and cruelty-free. And on the pamphlet it says, that's hot. And it says that it's supposed to have a bit of shimmer? What? Let's open this up and take a gander. Oh, it is glittery. Wow. Can you guys see the gold reflect inside of it? That is so funny. Super shimmery. I wonder if you get a nice glow to the face after you use this. Smells pretty good too. Kind of tropical. That actually works out for me because I had just run out of the cleanser I was using now. I'm on a backup of a random one that I happen to have. So I'll be working this one into the rotation and seeing how I feel about it. I was honestly unaware that Paris Hilton was making skincare now. I have seen that she has had a makeup brand, and that one usually pops up at TJ Maxx and things like that, so I was just familiar with that. I had no clue about the skincare, so excited to try it out. Second up in the box is a product by I Do Care, Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Ooh, is it glittery? Let's find out. Oh, a little stopper? I was like, what is that? Here's a closer look at the tub of the mask. And it's funny, talking about TJ Maxx, this product, well, maybe not this one specifically, but I remember just the other week when I did my TJ Maxx and Marshalls vlog, I saw a Disco Kitten illuminating mask that was in stores. So that's kind of funny because it says that this one is a $23 value, and I think I saw it there for, I want to say, maybe at the most $8. So in case you didn't get this mask inside of your Ipsy box this time, try to find it at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Or did I do that? Okay, don't do that. It really pops out at you. Has a good scent, but I do not recommend tasting. It does not taste that good. When I read Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask, I was assuming there was going to be glitter in there. Does not look like it. Looks exactly like a pearl with that kind of a sheen. Still very pretty. Not bad so far. We got a cleanser, we got a mask. Let's see what else is in the box. Third up is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And it's funny because, hang on, I'm gonna dip down. I actually have this powder. This is my new one. I'll just show you guys, it's still in there. Boop, there she is. New and unused. I'm gonna save this one for a giveaway since I do have the exact same one right here. So giveaway for you guys. So let me just show off my old and kind of dirty powder that I've had for quite a while now. I actually got this one in a FabFitFun box. I think it was the winter box I got it in, or the spring one from last year. And this is actually not a bad powder. Honestly, it's very intimidating because if you look at it, ooh, that is a bright white powder. It almost looks like flour. I was honestly scared the first time I used it. I was like, ooh, this is gonna be flashback. It's gonna look terrible. But once you actually press it into the skin, that initial white color does go away. It does actually go on translucent. It's the powder I have on my face right now. It looks a little bit weird right now because I'm having some mascara fallout here and it's not mixing so well, but otherwise this powder is actually really good. Being 100% honest though, since I got it back in last spring, I haven't used it all that much. I mean, it's a good powder and I don't mind it when I use it, but I have other powders that I kind of reach for a little bit more over this one. So if you're in need of a powder, it's definitely a good one to kind of keep you going, but it's not a holy grail powder, if that makes sense. Now, the fourth item in the box is one by Wander Beauty, Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. This brow product is $21, and it does come with both the brow color on one side and a spoolie on the other. It looks like for me, the taupe shade is gonna be perfect for my eyebrow color. I was actually in need of a new brow pencil. I'm running out of everything right now. I haven't done a restock. So I ran out of my favorite stuff and I'll definitely be putting this to use first thing tomorrow morning. How did I get the mask in my hair? Gosh, nabbit. One of those days, gosh. And lastly, in this box too, we got another Ofra x Madison Miller collab. This time it's a palette, the Squad palette, as they call it. This palette comes with 2 shimmering highlights and 1 blush. Let's do a swatch of these. Ignore all the brow swatches I did up here, but there's the 2 highlights and the blush. Looks very beautiful. I'm wondering though if this shade is just gonna be a teensy bit too dark for my skin tone. I do have another cheekbone here without highlight I can use and test that out. Let's see, do we have another highlighting brush? Highlighting brush, highlighting brush. Well, this is an eyeshadow brush, but it'll do. Let's dip into the shade over here and try to highlight with it. Ooh. Okay, for me, I do think that it is slightly too dark for me to use as a highlight. Now I'm a little bit more curious if this pink one's gonna be too dark too. Let's check that one out. Let's use another brush and try to use that one on the nose. Man, I am blinding all over now. That one too is slightly too pink, I think, for my very fair skin. That is kind of unfortunate. I really enjoyed the blush of this one. I would probably only be able to use the highlighting shades as all over the lid eyeshadow colors, so that's kind of unfortunate there. I may end up having to give this one away to my sister-in-law since she has a deeper skin tone. She would probably love this palette. I was really excited about this one, but it's okay. I got the other highlighter from the Ipsy smaller bag. Let's do a quick roundup here of the Glam Bag Plus box. Our grand total for this box is $140. That is incredible. As always, they have really good values for their boxes, especially with getting all 5 full-size items. Let's do a quick comparison to the Glam Bag, the smaller bag. I can't get values for all of the items because some of them are deluxe size, but for the ones I can, which is the gloss, the mascara, and of course the Ofra highlighter, I get a value of that bag being $52.69, which honestly isn't bad for paying $10 to $12 since I can't remember what this month was. Honestly, whichever bag or box you do choose, you do always get a really good return value on it. That is always really nice when you go into these Ipsy bags, and over the years, Ipsy has definitely evolved. I remember back in the day when it used to be just nothing but samples of what you didn't want. So now that they're putting Ofra highlighters inside of here, I'm really pumped about it. As far as which my favorite is from this month, that's a tough one. Just going based off the products and which ones I'm most drawn to, I'm honestly leaning a little bit more towards the smaller bag this month, just because I got a really awesome Ofra highlighter that actually worked for my skin tone. We got a mask, we got a bronzer, we got a gloss. Mascara didn't exactly work out, but I mean, we got some other items to play with. So I think for me personally, this month, the smaller bag takes the win. I mean, you still got some great items in the other box. It's just my personal opinion of this month. Let me know down below which one you guys think won the battle this month, which one was your favorite, and let me know down below if you want me to keep doing this style of a video, doing a comparison between the 2 bags and boxes of the month, or if you want me to go back to doing individual unbaggings and try-ons. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!